Hello, 5th grade. The purpose of this video is going to be to show you your two choices for our next art project. So the first option is going to be a Notan project. Now you're probably wondering, what is Notan? Notan is a Japanese word that means dark light. So Notan is all about symmetry, balance and harmony, and utilizing positive and negative space. A strong Notan design usually has good contrast, balance between light and dark elements, an organic design, and interesting patterns that are being created by the lights and the darks in the artwork. If you choose to do the Notan, these are the two projects that you will complete. So the first over here is a simple symmetrical Notan, and the second one here is called the expansion of the square Notan. Both of these are cut paper collages that are inspired by shapes and forms seen in nature. So you have a white paper background, and then you have a black sheet of paper, and you cut your design out from it, and cut it out, flip it, and glue it, and that's how you make these paper collages. Everything in the Notan project will involve coming up with symmetrical, nature-inspired designs, and then cutting, arranging, and gluing different elements to create a balanced Notan composition. Now for our second project option, we have a printmaking project. Printmaking is an art process in which an image is transferred from one surface to paper, and you can make multiple prints from just one image. So this printmaking project is going to involve styrofoam. So you will draw a design, transfer it to your styrofoam piece. Here's an example of what that styrofoam piece could look like with the design in it. And then you'll use that foam piece as a printing plate to create prints with different colors of paper and inks. So here are some examples of what final prints could look like. The printmaking process will focus on the central idea or question of how can we make the world a better place. So we're going to look at and talk about activism and activist art, and then you'll brainstorm some topics or issues that you care about which are related to making the world a better place. And then your prints will be inspired by activist art. Now, for both projects, you can actually make your central theme activist art. So you're not limited to one theme for each project. So if you choose to do the Notan, you can focus on activist symbols and work that into your cut paper collages instead of making them nature inspired. Same goes for the printmaking activities. You can make yours nature inspired instead of being inspired by activist art if that's what you feel like doing. So that is the overview of both of our project options. We have the Notan, and these are both of the projects that will be involved in the Notan. And then we have printmaking. So those are the two options, and I can't wait to see what you choose to create.